Hi, how do you? Today you can see I'm in the middle of a painting, so let's continue to finish the drawing. Here I'm going to put the sun in the horizon. All right. Using the yellow colors. Just to draw a nice painting. Awesome. So the total color combinations, you can see it's the yellow, and the reflections we're going to put later. Here, so few yellow outlines you can see. Okay, and to the sky, yellow tone you can see. Okay, as you know, I'm going to draw a house here. With the yellow tone. Okay, let's put the outlines. As you know, the surface is uneven because it's the leaf of a palm tree, which is just modified into a canvas. That's why you can easily see that the surface is not even. It's an uneven surface. You can see the texture. So it's not the usual canvas, it's a DIY modified canvas. So that's why painting is little difficult, but not that much problem, but little bit difficult. So you can see the houses. All right. Okay, the shades you can see is much better now. Okay, few yellow, you can see the detailings over the landscape and just looking the painting nice. All right, let's do a little detail here, because just to put the outline a little bit looking nice so that we can easily see the shape of the house. You can see. Okay, so it has the doors and the windows. One window here. That's the details of the house. Few details here. Okay, and we can see lots of trees over the horizon here in this point. Okay, and the yellow details we are going to put because to show the house. Looks good. Awesome. Maybe few flowers, the trees in this point to the border. Awesome. Now we're going to draw a nice boat just to show it on the water. So that's the usual shape of a boat you can see. I'm just trying to draw now. Nice and easy. All right. And the sailboat you can see. A sailorman on the boat. Okay. And you can see the reflections on the water. Which is looking good. So to show the detailed appearance of the boat, we're just making it a little bigger. All right. So the shades is getting a little bigger. And we can draw some trees in a far distance just to show the area. All right. This thing shows that the trees are very far distance, and because of the sunrise you can see the trees. And two taller trees here. Okay. Now we are going to put the leaves over the trees. Another one you can see here. All right. So the thing is that when the sun shines, we can see the rays of the sun shines. So we need to put some straight lines along the skyline to show the sun is rising. Okay. Putting some yellow lines to show the sunrise. The surface is uneven, so we need to define it very clearly. That's why multiple layers of the colors is going on, because this kind of painting is a little bit harder because the surface of the canvas is not the smooth. That's why you have to take care very nicely so that the whole frames and the sceneries getting visually nice. Let's put some reflections over the trees because of the sunshine. You can see here. Okay. All right. Few reflections here you can see. And the greeneries you can see just mixing up.